Huawei introduced the Watch GT6 and Watch GT6 Pro for global markets. The Watch GT6 allegedly comes in two sizes, 41mm and 46mm. The former has a 1.32-inch OLED screen, the latter a 1.47-inch OLED screen. Both watches have 64GB of storage. The smaller one gets a 540 mAh battery, the larger one a whopping 847 mAh. Watch GT6 Pro offered with black, brown, and silver straps. The Watch GT6 Pro will come in 46mm only, featuring the same screen size and resolution. All three models pack an accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, ambient light sensor, depth sensor, and can track body temperature, heart rate. Also be NFC on board, along with GPS, a microphone, and a speaker. The Watch GT6 starts at £229 and 99 pence for both the 41mm and 46mm versions. The Watch GT6 Pro is priced at £329 and 99 pence. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.